So you've set up your YouTube channel, you've adjusted your background in an aesthetic way, you've adjusted your lighting. And you may have even purchased a fancy camera. You work hard on your videos producing content you think people will like. But all you get is crickets, no views, no viewers, no channel growth. Maybe you have the same 1 or 2 loyal supporters watching and commenting on all of your videos, but you're never reaching anyone new. Sound familiar? If you're a new or small YouTuber struggling to get your channel off of the ground, this video is for you. This video I'll teach you how to conduct keyword research to identify what exact phrases to target in order to rank in someone's YouTube search results. I'll cover the exact process I used to conduct keyword research, including what parameters I used, what magic words I add, and what exactly I do with the keywords. Once I've decided to target them, by the end of this video you'll be equipped with everything you need to know to start ranking first in YouTube search results. Even if you're a small YouTuber, you ready? Let's get into it. I want you to start off with a specific video idea in mind. The process of keyword research tends to work best if your video idea is something educational. In order to rank in YouTube search, you need to have a video idea that is searchable, and in general people search for something if they want to learn more about it. So start off with something that is educational and scope. For the purpose of this video, I'll use the video idea of building camera confidence. As I go through my keyword research process, feel free to pause the video and follow along with your own video idea. Got your video idea ready? Let's dive into it. So first we're going to hop into YouTube in an incognito tab. We're using incognito tab, so your previous search queries won't affect this initial keyword research. Get your notepad ready, an Ocean doc open, or whatever it is that you do to take notes. Go up into the search bar. What's the topic of your video idea? Start by typing that out. For example, I'll type out the words camera confidence first. See what autofills I'm seeing. Camera confidence, Ali Abdul camera confidence in Hindi, and camera confidence course. Not super helpful, but I'll write down camera confidence course because it's kind of relevant. Next, I'm going to rephrase my video topic as a how-to question that autofills. I could type how to be confident on C and autofills to how to be confident on camera. How to be confident on camera for YouTube HMM. That's interesting. A couple that aren't relevant to me, and then how to be confident in front of camera. Cool. I'm gonna write those down. If I finish typing a few more, show up how to be more confident on camera, how to become confident on camera, how to be confident around camera, how to be confident in front of camera, and how to present confidently on camera. I'll write all those down. I'm going to try to reward it one more time as another how to talk to a camera. I'll repeat this process, taking down new suggestions as they appear. How to talk to a camera, how to talk to a camera like a person, how to talk to a camera vlog, how to talk to camera naturally, how to be comfortable talking to camera, how to talk confidently to a camera, and then I'll finish up the phrase and see if anything new pops up. Nothing new here. That's fine. What have we done so far? Well, we made a list of phrases related to our topic that people have been searching for on YouTube. First, we tried typing in the topic itself. It didn't yield very many relevant results, so I reformatted that video topic into various how-to questions. The how-to question format typically works well, but you can use any other question format if it might make sense for you. For instance, if you want to make a video about different tech options, could freeze your questions like, should I get a MacBook Pro or ... or what's the difference between a MacBook Pro and ... You get the point. So we started to type our topic in a question format, and we saw what YouTube autofilled. These autofilled search queries are what people have searched for before, and that's really good information to know because we want our video to show up when people search for this topic. So we have a list of different keyword phrases. Where do we go from there? Let me introduce you to a little magical tool called TubeBuddy. This will allow us to conduct deeper keyword research and see which keywords have a higher search volume with a lower competition. Simply search TubeBuddy and install the Chrome extension. It's free to use. Don't worry, once you've installed it and linked it up to your YouTube account, you are ready to go. Head back into YouTube, but this time in your main browser. Look at your list of different keyword phrases to test. I'll Start with how to be more confident on camera. Ignore this first panel. The extension VitaQ has a similar keyword research tool, but I don't like it as much as TubeBuddy. If you go into your TubeBuddy search explorer and click show keyword score, you'll see this. Let me explain what this is. The first bar measures search volume. The red side is low search volume and the green side is high search volume. Here we see that the search volume is in the green, meaning that there's a high search volume. That's awesome. The next bar measures competition. The red side means high competition. The green side means low competition. The competition here is in the orange, mean that there's a decent amount of competition. TubeBuddy gives us keyword a score of 53, which it says is good. Fact, there's a little text here saying that there is a decent amount of competition, but this keyword is searched so often and it's worth targeting. I disagree with TubeBuddy. This keyword is not worth targeting. Everyone here on this first page has hundreds of thousands or millions of subscribers. That's hard for a brand new YouTuber to compete with a keyword score of 53. Is still too low to be worth your effort. I generally try to aim for something that's at least 75 or higher. So how do we find high scoring keywords? Well, first you're going to go down your list of keyword phrases and see which ones TubeBuddy likes best. For instance, I'll try how to be more confident on camera for YouTube show keyword score, and we get a score of 80 to huge. We can immediately see that the search of volume is lower here, but there's not as much competition. But as I scroll through the results, I still see that there are only large YouTubers ranking for this keyword. We want to look for keywords here where at least someone is ranking with less than 10,000 subscribers. When you come to a base keyword that's pretty high, there are a couple of words that you can add to it to make it more targetable. A classic one is adding the year. See that most of these results are from a few years ago. Let's try adding 2020 for boom. Search volume went up and competition increased just a bit. This is a good keyword phrase. You can see here that the first result that pops up is a channel that has less than 1,000 subscribers. The video itself only has 79 views. This is a 100 score keyword. Perfect. Another great word to add to keywords is beginner. So I might search how to be more confident on camera for YouTube beginners. You can see that's very similar with the other keyword with the year, a 100 square keyword. We love to see it. I'm gonna try something else too involving the word beginner. I'm gonna try beginner's guide to camera confidence. Look, another 100 score keyword, high search volume, moderate competition, and we can see here that the very first video that pops up here is from a small channel with only 8.5k subscribers. One thing I want to mention is that the free version of TubeBuddy does have a limit on how many keyword scores it will show you per day. You can upgrade to a different tier to have unlimited search queries, but I wouldn't recommend that this early on in your journey. In my opinion, is a pretty unnecessary fee. You can definitely get by with a free version, and if you hit your limit, just put a pause on your keyword research and come back to it the next day. So I have a few different keyword phrases that I can use here. How do I best fit them together for a YouTube-worthy title for my video? I'm probably going to do something like beginner's guide to camera confidence, how to talk to a camera for YouTube 2024. I like using this little vertical line for separation, but that's just me. And then I really love the idea of parentheses, even if you never done it before. From this video from Think Media, so I'm going to tag that along to the end. A quick side note about taking from other people's titles: I don't recommend copying someone else's title word for one if they're a bigger creator and they're already ranking in search with their title. It's very unlikely that you as a small YouTuber will be able to compete with them with that same title.